If you are new to the GoPro lineup, you should know that the Insta360 has been going against the GoPro Hero 12 Black, which I've got the box right here so we can compare it. So at the front, as you can see, they've been following the same trend. I'll be showing the camera right here, but this one is the person actually holding it. This one is just in its own element, and it shows 12 Black in big bold letters, while this one comes with its motto, the tiny mighty action camera. Down here on the bottom left, it says 64 gigabytes, and the fine print also says internal memory. Now let's take a look at the Insta360 box. It says lightweight and portable magnetic mounting system, hands-free POV, and 2.7K. Meanwhile on the GoPro, on the same orientation, it just shows what is in the box, but not really what is inside. This one just says Enduro battery, because there's two different type of GoPro batteries. So it says right here, flow state stabilization and 360 horizon lock. Now GoPro does offer those, but I'm not sure if it's as good as HyperSmooth 6.0. The next thing that we see right here is that it says 5 meters, which is 16.4 feet. So they're using more of the meter metric. The next thing here is a multifunctional action pod. So there will be a pod that actually comes with it. Meanwhile, for the GoPro Hero 12 Black, in order to add a mod, you'll need to have this little media mod, which comes at an additional cost. So I am glad that the Insta360 mentions that it actually comes with one, which is very cool. Here on the bottom it says that there's voice control 2.0. So the Insta360 had the GoPro function of voice control, and the GoPro has voice control in it. Here on the GoPro on the top it says includes Enduro battery, micro SD card required, sold separately. On the back of the GoPro Hero 12 Black box, you don't really see much happening here. It's just advertising about its GoPro subscription that will upload your video if you plug in your GoPro after use. What it says right here is Insta360 Go 3 with lens guard, action pod, charge cable, instructions. Who even reads instructions these days? Warranty card, magnetic pendant, pivot stand, and easy clip. It also shows how to mount it, such as a magnetic mounting that you could put behind your shirt and the camera can go in front or even on your hat. There also is a magnetic mount that you can control to put on your car. From what I've heard, it uses the same standard function as GoPro. So if you have a GoPro currently and you want to switch to an Insta360, it won't come to a waste. You can actually legit use it. Okay, so it's where you see this long mark, okay? Actually no, it's where you see the 1, but then a little bit lower below the 1. That is how thick it is. So it is this wide, and it is this thick. Okay, so this is a little Insta360 Go 3, and it is very convenient actually. Wow, it's like straight out of the box. It's magnetic, it's usable. There's a thing on the back that says, the back of the cameras dissipates heat and will get hot during use. Do not use with skin contact. So that's why that side is magnetic. Now let's open it up. It's like a little door. The thing that comes in it is a little user guide. It comes in all different types of languages. Accessories are in one big pack. There's a little mount on the back that comes with it. And this is a little mounting option that they have here. Then we got the little box that will allow you to charge it and also see it. So you just plop that in, and this is a screen that goes on the back. Question, can we turn it on? How do you turn it on? There's a little power brick right here, and that will show red when it's connected. Then you also get this little threaded mount, this other threaded mount to go with your threaded mount. So basically this is a clip, and then you would put your GoPro on it, and then you can mount it like anywhere you want or something like that. Yeah, so you could put this on your hat. Okay, so this is the Insta360 Go 3. It is very cute. It is very like you're able to use it very easily. Now if you remove this, if you remove it, alright, so it says right here, press and hold when you remove it. So you don't just like peel it straight off. You have to like press and hold. Then you gotta like pull it. Okay. So if I turn it on right now, I will turn this one on too. Then we will go to next. Please download the Insta360 app in the store. Okay, because of that, we're gonna plug this in. Okay, let's pull up my phone again. Okay, so we have my phone running. We're gonna go to the App Store, and it says that it's available on the App Store and Google Play. So we're gonna download the Insta360 app. This one. Okay, we got the Insta360 app now, and we got it loaded. So I'm gonna press on agree. And it shows music. and it wants to create an account, but you have to allow all of these other functions such as network, Bluetooth, album, local network, and notifications, which I actually want to disable. Let's go to the app, and it will immediately already connect. So it's showing me the Go3 5UD74W connect, and now it says connecting through Bluetooth. Now it wants me to start a firmware update, so we're gonna click on that to start downloading. Confirm connection on device. Let's press on confirm. Okay, so it's now doing the same thing as the GoPro Hero 12 Black. Don't hate on me, GoPro, but I'm gonna use the GoPro charger. Okay, it says receiving firmware. Okay, so it's probably been a while, but it's been like really long trying to upgrade its firmware, so I don't know about it. Okay, so we heard a bit of... Okay, so there's some like chimes available, so it says please reconnect to this device, so we're gonna try and connect to it. So it says language, confirm. So right here, language, next. It wants me to join this in order to set it up, connecting to Wi-Fi. Activation, so you need to activate it within the app. Then you need to register it. Okay, so this one right here, it says swipe left and right to switch moving modes. So this one actually has a lot more modes than the GoPro Hero 12 Black and on just the Insta360 itself. So if you want to go to video though, I think it's gonna be a little bit of a struggle because then you gotta like scroll through the whole entire thing, you know. Slide from the edge of the screen to the left to access image parameter settings. Okay, so that's cool, but it is a little bit funky and it does feel very hot right now. Slide up to access shooting specs settings. Okay, so for comparison, here's a Hero 12 Black, and here is the shooting settings. It's basically in a little box, and it's similar to this, but it's more horizontal. This one is more vertical. Okay, let's slide down. And if you do the normal like preferences tab, basically this one has a lot more info, but you just do a swipe and you're able to go to your preferences and you can see everything. But I believe this one is referring to this tab right here. So this rocket one means quick capture, and that's quick capture on the GoPro. Again, they're two different brands. And this one has a screen brightness on it. This one has a volume control. There is pre-record, what does that do? Pre-recording, record 10 to 30 seconds of video before you press the shutter. Don't miss any. That's gonna take some extra battery. This one has a timer on it, so that's like timed capture. So if you're like a cinematographer and you want to leave it outside, and that is lock orientation. The other tab here that I see is wind reduction, stereo. That's actually really cool because the GoPro does not have that. And then we will go to this hashtag, which is, oh, that's actually a grid, which is the rule of thirds. Now we'll click on this settings icon. Basically that is our preferences tab on the GoPro. We'll show your camera version, the general camera storage, quick capture settings, Go3 button settings, Wi-Fi settings, voice control, pre-recording settings, video bitrate, video sharpness, anti-flicker, gyro calibration, all that random stuff. The next thing that I see that's different is, well, I can't pull the screen on this little thing, this little GoPro Hero 12 Black, but I can flip the screen on the Insta360 Go 3. I can flip the screen. So, if we go back to its main menu, you can just see myself right here. Meanwhile, for the GoPro, they didn't really do that. So, yeah. Now, one advantage with this one is that if you remove it properly, then you can pretty much see what's been going on, like what is going on, but it's like it's on the screen. And just like what it says, the back of this is actually very, very warm. It is really warm, and you really don't want to burn your hand, especially right here on the magnets behind it. So yeah, but if I press record right here, learn the button functions. No, I don't need that. Record. It'll do a sensor like a vibration. It'll do a vibration, and then you can see that it's like recording on both the screen and on this little like screen right there, that it's both recording. So that's actually really cool. And you can see a little battery, like screen time, things like that. But on this one, it's like a little GoPro Hero Session. For scale, this is the Insta360 Go 3, and this is the GoPro Hero Session, like released months ago. So as you can see, it's a little bit, well, this is a little bit more blockier, but there's like all the settings in the back, but you can't really control it much. Meanwhile, on this one, it's like you can't control it, but you can attach it somewhere. But if you have this just near you, you're able to record. You're able to record, and you're able to see it on the box. So even if it's like far away, yeah, will still work. So if you really like this video, subscribe, leave a comment, interact with me, or just use the affiliate link down below because I will get a commission without any additional charges to your purchase of order. If you click on the screen in the middle, you can subscribe to my channel. If you look to your left and your right, there are videos. You can go ahead and click on those videos. However, using the affiliate links is very much appreciated. Thank you for watching this video.